Okay, so let me explain. The lockdown was done during COVID. There is no planned lockdown. That is fake news. So what we have is the seasonal respiratory illnesses. So it's not a flu outbreak. We do not have a flu outbreak. It is our ILI season. What is ILI? Influenza-like illnesses. Marami siyang sakit. And these are sakit like ubo, sipon, trangkaso, and all others similar to that. That spreads very fast during the rainy season. So minomonitor ng DOH yan. We know many people are getting sick. In fact, yung mga report sa akin, yung anak daw niya, twice in 2 weeks nagkasakit. O, magkaibang virus yun. Dabi nahawa siya ng sipon, nahawa siya ng trangkaso. So wala tayong outbreak from a single virus. So there is no need to declare lockdown. But there is a recommendation to maybe start wearing your mask or staying at home if you are sick. That's the public health recommendation because it is our season for this influenza-like illnesses which you get by respiratory spread. Maybe if you're sick, huwag ka nang pumasok sa trabaho, huwag ka nang pumasok sa school. And this is also the reason DepEd declared no classes. Although we didn't recommend it to them, they did it together with the earthquake and together with retrofitting. Time na rin nila mag-sanitize daw. It's actually also good kasi nga, I think the kids, if they don't go to school, will not infect each other. My fear is that kids will get infected, they recover after 3 to 5 days, pero if they bring it home to a lolo, lola, or someone who is on dialysis, baka yun ang mamatay. So in a way, okay lang yun. Di naman ako kontra dun sa doing alternative methods of education. In this week, patapos na yata, next week may pasok na sa NCR. So, pero yun, yung public health precautions, nandun pa rin. Cover your mouth when you're coughing or sneezing. May wear a mask. And if you're sick, huwag nyo nang papasukin yung anak nyo kasi maghahawa lang ng ibang bata.
Is that policy now? I mean, is that going to be policy like what we did in COVID?
No, it's optional. It's optional. So everybody protects their own health care. Diba? I'm not gonna enforce you what you will eat or what you. But this is a democratic country. But I'm going to give you sound public health advice.
So hysteria na biglang, everybody will be buying again masks. So wala namang ganung threats or na.
Wala naman. It's really the season. And actually, mas mababa nga yung cases natin this year than last year. For the month of September, ang cases namin of ILI was over 155,000 last year. Itong September of itong nakatatapos lang, 133 lang yata. So less. So it's not more. Nagkataon lang, napansin siguro ng mga tao ngayon, siguro you're connected to a relative that got trangkaso or something.
Going back to the super health center, so kung hindi siya tapos, hindi siya ready for occupancy, meron bang criminal liability yan? Kasi I'm coming from a framework of the flood control project. So may ganun din si Buster na...
So what I promised ICI is I will do investigation and case build-up. So if we have a case and we think someone is criminally or administratively liable, I will submit it. Well, pagka criminally liable, pwede na diretso sa DOJ yan or ombudsman. What ICI is doing is helping me find the administrative ways to actually prevent this. So yun nga, yung mga collusion in bidding, yung mga... So tinuturo nga nila sa akin kung ano yung mga nasa batas na pala, nandiyan na pala, that we are just not utilizing. So yan, mga ganyan yung mga sinabi nila sa akin. So in fact, they're supporting me with my efforts to investigate infrastructure projects in the Department of Health.
This is also part of the mandate. 10 years back ng mga infra project. Hindi naman kaya ma-derail, sir, yung focus ng ICI from flood control projects. So ano mo to? Parang...
Well, it's not ICI is not only for flood control, it's for government infrastructure. So ngayon ang kausap nila DepEd. So schools naman, may infrastructure din yon. I think nakaschedule din ang DA for farm to market roads. Lahat kaming mga secretary nagsasalita about infrastructure in our own departments, di ba? Secretary Kiko Laurel was talking about the farm-to-market roads. Siguro, hindi siya happy. Ako, I'm talking about super health centers.